अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे ऊप के बारे में। व्हाट इज ऊप? ऊप बेसिकली कंसिस्ट ऑफ थ्री वर्ड्स: ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग. OOP is methodology in which we design a program using objects and methods. With OOP concepts, we can develop a software or an application easily and maintain it. So here question comes, what are the features of OOP? Why we use it? The main feature is we can reusable a piece of code where we want in our program. Reusability is the main feature of OOP. So here we come basic concepts of OOP. First of all, we see classes and objects. With classes and objects, we can develop an application. What is class? Class is basically a template, or we can say a blueprint, in which all our methods and attributes are explained or defined. Class contain attributes or features and methods. Here we take an example of a human being, like a person. A person have height, date of birth, color, weight. These are the attributes or features of person. And what are the methods? Mean what are the functions that perform a person? A human being or a person can speak, he can feel, he can run, he can look. So these are the methods or functions of a human being or person. So this is a class. It contains attributes and methods. So here is another example of class, like a car. A car has color, model number, and it has 4 wheels. It has an engine. These are the attributes of a car. And what are the functionalities of a car? Car can move. Car can start. And we apply brake when we want stop the car. And the last example is for classes, a laptop. A laptop has model, price. These are the features of a laptop. A laptop also have a keyboard, touchpad, screen, speakers, ports. These are the attributes. And what are the methods or functions of a laptop? We can play videos, we can play games, we perform programming, we can listen songs. So these are the classes features and functions. So now we come to the second parts. What are the objects? Objects, we use the object or a variable. Object is basically a variable of a class. We use the objects to assess the features or functionalities of the class.